What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. We got a beautiful day. We're gonna get a breakfast sandwich going, real similar to the egg McMuffin. We got, let's see what we got here. We got ham that you see right here on the griddle. Right now, I got a special homemade sauce that I made. Talk about that in the video. Got an English muffin. We got some American cheese and an egg we're gonna throw on this. It's gonna be amazing. All right, let's check this ham. See how we're doing? That's what I want right there. All right, let's get that going like that. Let's get some butter going right over here. Let's just put it all right here inside this. Deliciousness. All right. We don't need all that butter in there. Boom, let's put an egg inside that. All right, just like so. Now let's take this thing and put it down. It's a little hot. All right, we're gonna steam this thing, get it done faster. All right, here's that egg. Now we're gonna break this yolk. See, now the thing with the griddle, everything wants to go towards the front here, so I'm trying to move some of it back, fill up these gaps a little. Perfect. All right, boom. We're gonna put a little bit more water down in here. Boom. Get that thing done in no time. Boom, so we got some butter down. I wanna get a nice toast on this stuff with that butter. Don't need that big clump. Let it soak up in there. Just want a nice toast on that. All right, let's give this egg a flip. Flippy dippy here. Boom. Get you out of there. There it is. We're just gonna put you up here in the front. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of seasoning on the egg. A little cayenne. And a little pepper. Now we don't need salt because there's a lot of salt in this ham, so we're good on that. Look at that. Let's get it over here now. Get out of the butter. Ooh, let that finish. Ooh, buddy. All right, we're gonna start building this thing. This is the bottom right here. Ooh, look at that. Cheese. Let's go with a slice of ham. Let's go with the egg. Let's go with a slice of cheese. Ooh. Let's go with the ham. And now, for the top here, we are going to use the sauce. Now this sauce, all right, let's look at that. So this sauce, it's a Mayo, Sriracha, a half a teaspoon of pickle juice, and I use spicy pickle juice, just like so, and garlic powder. Got about a teaspoon of garlic powder in there. So boom, there's our sandwich. What we're gonna do, cover her up, steam it, get everything melted real good. Man, that's a sandwich right there. All that melted cheese. We got some crusty cheese over here. Ooh, this is gonna be amazing. Man, let's dive into this. This thing looks so good, and I know it's gonna taste good. That ham, definitely salty, really good with that char on there. That sauce, that creamy sauce, good. Got the hint of that sriracha in there. Nice fluffiness on that egg. Cheese, it's amazing. I don't even know what else to say about it. I mean, this is perfect. Look at that thing. All that cheese. Oh, that egg, ham, that sauce dripping down. So good. That's all I got, guys. Appreciate you coming along. Hit the thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. See you in the next one. Thanks.